Hello guys, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sakti Vesties. In this video, we will cover company as well as team profile part. So let's start it. The man in picture is Mr. Gautam Bali sir, who is the managing director of Vesties, and he believes that first key to success is believing in yourself. If you believe in yourself, it doesn't matter in what situation you are, ultimately you will get success. These three are the backbone of the company. The middle one is Mr. Gautam Bali sir, and right to sir is Mr. Kanwar Veer Singh sir, who is the head of IT department, and left to sir is Deepak Sood sir, who is the head of sales department, and they all work towards transforming dreams into reality. Through Vesties, they gives us opportunity to taste success and to make our dreams come true. So finally, Vesties gives you platform to make your dreams come true, and how it will be discussed in the later part. Now comes the company profile part. Vesties Marketing Private Limited started its journey in 2004 and is leading direct selling company who deals with world-class wellness product. Apart from this, it also deals with product including hair care, daily need products, grocery section, electronic section, clothing section, and many more. And you will happy to know that it is working towards aviation section also. Growth of any company directly depends on the quality, and it's my pleasure to tell you all that company is growing at a very fast rate. And I will not tell you that product quality is good, because who is watching this video, they know very well, and who have not used it, please use it and you will know very well. Vesties also gives you opportunity to live your life at your own terms. There is no boss, you are the only boss of yourself. There are more than 2 crore distributors in India, 3000 online plus offline center, 350 products. Vestige is not limited to India only, it do business in Bahrain, Bangladesh, Nepal, Oman, Saudi, Thailand, Ghana and UAE also. As in Vestige, it started its journey in 2004 and did a business of 5 crore, and in between 2018 to 2019 it did a business of 1850 crore, and till now between 2019 to 2020 it did a business of 2300 plus crore. So you all can conclude that company is growing at a very fast rate, and it's only Indian direct selling company to achieve it. Now let's talk about award and recognition section. Vestige is a member of Health Food and Dietary Supplement Association, certified with GMP, that is Good Manufacturing Practices, as well as ISO 9001:2015. Vestige has been awarded Certificate of Excellence in Productivity, Quality, Innovation Management by IES. That is the Institute of Economic Studies. Gautam Bali sir was awarded Best CEO Award in 2012, and Vestige was awarded as Most Admired Brand Leader of Asia. Last but not least, Halal certificate. Actually, to do business in Gulf countries, it is mandatory to have Halal certificate. That means no alcohol-based product, and strict parameters are set in Gulf countries regarding product quality. So simply imagine the quality of product yourself. Vestige ranks 30th out of 100 direct selling company in world, and total there are 22 lakhs direct selling company in the world, and first in India out of 3 lakhs direct selling company, and looking forward to rank first globally. As I said earlier, 2 crore plus distributors, so you can have a look at it. And the main journey in Vestige basically starts from bronze level director, which is at the bottom of the slab, and as you progress, level increases, but there is no time limit, no foundation for it, and the highest level is double universal crown director, and these numbers are increasing day by day. These are the 17 Vestige ambassadors, and in second line, second one is Mr. Siddharth Singh sir, who earns approx 1 crore from Vestige every month. Don't be shocked guys, just go and Google it. Now let's talk about the team profile. The founder of the team is Mr. Ajay Kumar Chadda sir, and the mindset of the team is Sangat Mein Rangat. That means if you are surrounded by 5 fools, you will automatically be called 6th fool. And if you are surrounded by 5 brilliant minds, you will be called 6 brilliant minds. So Sangat Mein Rangat. Now let's talk about why Team AKC. 4.5-year journey of Team AKC, so full of experience. Team AKC works under leadership of Mr. Ajay Kumar Chadda sir, who is the youth icon and at double crown director level, and this is the second highest level in West East, and led by Mr. Siddharth Singh sir, who earns approx 1 crore amount every month. Strong education system, 4 personal event every month, 100 plus CNT every month, 4,000 car achiever which was dream for them, 200 luxury car achiever, 10 plus millennial earning 1 lakh to 5 lakh per month, and 100 plus are earning between 10k to 50k per month. Actually, they are not earning it in a full-time job, they earn as a side income, but they are sure that they will be paid between 10 to 50k as per month as per their business. So why to hesitate? Isn't a good opportunity? And many among them are student, fresher, housewives and many more. So please think over it. As Mr. Ajay Kumar Chadda sir is at double crown director level, and in Vestige total number of double crown director are 87, out of which only 28 are youth icons and Ajay Kumar Chadda sir is one among them. So you should feel proud to be a member of Team AKC because you are under the guidance of Mr. Ajay Kumar Chadda sir and Mr. Siddharth Singh sir. In this slide, Mr. Ajay Kumar Chadda sir is with his teammates. In the first pic, Mr. Ajay Kumar Chadda sir is with Mr. Siddharth Singh sir, and in 4 photos which are attached together, the first one is Mr. Gautam Bali sir, the second one is Mr. Deepak Sood sir, and the third one is Mr. Kanwar Veer Singh sir, and the fourth one is the youth icon and the founder of Team AKC, Mr. Ajay Kumar Chadda sir. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share as much as possible. Thank you.